Replace lenses on Ray-Ban sunglasses. It often takes hardcore wear and tear to render a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses useless, although it cannot be discounted that all good things eventually come to an end. But when it comes to a classic pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses, who says you need to let your love affair with it end just like that? If it's a matter of busted lens, you can replace it very easily. Here's how. Look for replacement lenses for your Ray-Bans. You can surf the World Wide Web for replacement lenses that will fit the specific Ray-Ban model that you own. Of course, the older it is, the more expensive the lenses will likely be for you to buy. Then again, you are talking about Ray-Bans here, so expect to shell out a bit of money more than the usual. If that doesn't work out, you can make inquiries at stores that sell Ray-Bans. You'll find this more convenient because you can actually check the merchandise for authenticity and warranty guarantee. Set the sunglasses on a work table. Any table will do for this purpose as long as there is good lighting available. Position the sunglasses in a way that the lenses are facing forward and towards you. If you can find something solid that will hold the sunglasses in place, it will be easier for you to go on to the next step. Maybe another pair of helping hands to make sure your sunglasses does not fall off the table. Pop the old lenses out. Keep in mind while proceeding through the steps in this task that you don't need to exert Herculean force. A gentle hand is all that's needed. Too much force and you'll do more damage to your beloved Ray-Bans. Proceed by using both your hands to hold the frame of the sunglasses. This will provide a steady support as you slowly but very firmly use force to push the old lenses off the sunglasses. To optimize your effort, place both of your thumbs on the outer sides of the lenses and work your way around the lenses, pushing gently as go along. It will take a few pushing motions to get the lenses popping off the frame. Change the position of the sunglasses. This time, turn the sunglasses towards you in the normal way you would wear your sunglasses. This is in preparation for putting the replacement lenses in. Replace the old lenses with new ones. You need to carefully place the new replacement lenses in one at a time. Take one lens, and then position it firmly on the hollow. Use one hand to hold the frame in place while your other hand pushed the lens in place. Push from the sides until you hear the lens popping securely in place around each frame. Repeat the same procedure on the other hollow frame. Press the frame securely on the new lenses. After you are done popping the new lenses in place, you need to secure the frame around the lenses. This is very easy to do. Just press down the sides of the frame to make sure the lenses are fitted perfectly. New lenses successfully in. Ray-Bans are ready to conquer the sun and secure your place in the world of fabulosity. Ray-Bans, you should never leave home without them.